Hello students, so in this section we are going to look at the importance of outlining our book. Okay, so preparing an outline is really important and it is one of the first few steps of writing our book. So why is it important to prepare an outline? So of course the outline, it gives us a clear roadmap of our ideas. Okay, which one comes first, which chapter should come next, and then what are the content that we want to put in each chapter. And also, when we have an outline, it helps us to stay focused on the main topics and subtopics. So in the outline, we should already be clear about which ones should be the main topics and also the subtopics, or the main heading and also the subheadings. And of course, another important point why we need to prepare an outline is to prevent us from having writer's block. So writer's block is when we are unable to produce creative work, when we are unable to to progress, okay, because lack of ideas. So when we have this outline at the very beginning of our writing process, okay, so it helps us to see the direction of our book. Like I said just now, which one should come first, and what would be the later topics or subtopics. Okay, and also when we have this outline, it will be helpful for our revision and editing later. So we'll be able to identify or notice what are the gaps or issues, which parts that we have not included, or which parts that needs to have more content, okay, in our writing or in our manuscript. And of course, it is also important for our audience engagement. So when we have a clear outline, we will be able to develop clear content, and also this outline will help us structure our content according to our genre, okay, and also our audience, our target audience. So with this outline, okay, we can ensure that we have a logical and also well-structured outline. Sorry. Okay, and of course, with this outline also helps us to balance our content. So we'll be able to make sure that there's no one chapter which is too short and then the next chapter is too long. So we will be able to distribute our content and also ideas well with this outline. Okay, so we have different types of outline. We have mind map. Okay, all right, so I think everyone is familiar with this. You have the heading, or you have the main topic, and also you organize that, okay, break it down into several other subtopics, right? Or you can also prepare a storyboard. So a storyboard is where you have this blank, like a blank canvas. You imagine you have a blank canvas, and then you just paste in all the important points. For example, if you're writing fiction, so you can include okay, what's the plot for this particular chapter, and what are the characters that needs to be involved, what's the conflict here, all right, what's the setting. So you paste everything according, you can have a storyboard according to the chapters, all right, okay. Or you can also have like a storyboard for the whole book, all right, to have a better picture, okay. And of course, we can also organize our thoughts and ideas according to chapter, okay. So I think this is especially useful when we are writing a non-fiction or academic books. Or okay, you can also have bubble maps when you have, something, your topic in the middle, and then you like have all these smaller subtopics, okay, around it, okay. So all this, it depends on you what type of outline that you want to choose, which one you are comfortable with. And again, please make sure that this outline is clear for you, is for you, is to help you organize your writing. And also from this outline, make sure that you are able to identify the gaps, okay, or the parts that you have not touched on, okay, in your book or in your manuscript. Okay, so to recap, okay, it is really important to have an outline. Okay, this is to help you have a smooth writing process and also a smooth flow of ideas. And this outline, of course, can be readjusted as you move along or you go along with your writing. So having this outline is really important. And right, so there are different types that you can try. So so yeah, don't forget to prepare your outline before you write your manuscript. Thank you.